guys, welcome back. If you are tired of sticky fingers and garlic smell that just won't quit, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 6 garlic presses on Amazon right now, from budget-friendly picks to premium beasts that basically do the work for you. Whether you're a home cook, a fitness foodie, or just someone who loves kitchen gadgets, stick around. One of these is perfect for you. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1. Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press. The Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press kicks off our list, and honestly, it's a fan favorite for good reason. Built from heavy-duty zinc alloy, this garlic press feels sturdy in your hand and is designed to handle both peeled and unpeeled garlic cloves, a huge time saver for busy home cooks. What I love most is the ergonomic handle, which reduces the hand strain you get from cheaper presses. It crushes garlic efficiently while self-cleaning as you squeeze, meaning less sticky residue stuck in tiny holes afterward. For fitness fans who cook clean, garlic-heavy meals regularly, this is a reliable daily use tool that won't wear out fast. It also comes with a soft grip silicone handle for comfort during repeated use. Cleanup is simple and it's dishwasher safe too. If you want a well-balanced garlic press that's affordable, durable, and easy to use, the Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press deserves a serious look. Check the description for current pricing. Product number 2. Alpha Griller's Garlic Press. Next up is the Alpha Griller's Garlic Press. And if you're someone who grills, meal preps, or just cooks a ton of garlic-based sauces and marinades, this one's built for you. Made from rust-proof, food-grade stainless steel, this press is heavy-duty and designed to last through years of kitchen use. The extra-large hopper is a standout feature, letting you press garlic without peeling first, which saves serious prep time on busy weeknights. The ergonomic handles offer a comfortable, no-slip grip, even when your hands are wet or oily. It also includes a cleaning brush, making post-use maintenance quick and hassle-free. Home cooks who batch cook proteins or fitness fans prepping garlic-forward marinades will appreciate how much time this saves. It's compact enough for easy storage, but powerful enough to crush cloves with minimal effort. Overall, the Alpha Griller's Garlic Press is a fantastic all-rounder for anyone serious about flavor and efficiency in the kitchen. Product number 3. ORBLUE Stainless Steel Garlic Press. Coming in at number 3 is the ORBLUE Stainless Steel Garlic Press, one of the most talked about kitchen gadgets among home cooks online. This press stands out with its rust-resistant, professional-grade stainless steel construction, giving it a sleek look while being built to last. It handles unpeeled garlic cloves with ease, which means less mess and fewer dirty fingers during prep. The wide chute design also allows you to press ginger and other small vegetables, adding versatility beyond just garlic. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its self-cleaning squeeze mechanism, and it even comes with a silicone garlic peeler as a bonus accessory. For tech-savvy home cooks who appreciate smart, multi-use gadgets, this press checks every box. It's lightweight yet sturdy, comfortable to grip, and dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. If you want a versatile, well-reviewed garlic press that does more than just garlic, the ORBLUE is absolutely worth considering. Product number 4. Dreamfarm Garject Lite Garlic Press. At number 4, we have the Dreamfarm Garject Lite Garlic Press, and this one is all about smart design. Unlike traditional presses, the Garject Lite has a unique self-emptying, self-cleaning mechanism that pushes garlic pulp out the top with a simple flick, meaning zero scraping and almost no mess left behind. This makes it a favorite for tech lovers who appreciate clever engineering in everyday tools. It handles unpeeled garlic effortlessly and works well for ginger too, adding extra versatility to your cooking routine. The lightweight build makes it easy to use repeatedly without hand fatigue, which fitness fans prepping multiple meals will genuinely appreciate. It's compact, dishwasher safe, and stores easily in any drawer. If you're the type who loves gadgets that solve annoying everyday problems in genuinely clever ways, the Dreamfarm Garject Lite might just become your new favorite kitchen tool. Definitely one of the most innovative picks on this list.
Product number 5. Kuhn Rikon Epicurean Garlic Press. Number 5 on our list is the Kuhn Rikon Epicurean Garlic Press, a beautifully designed option for home cooks who care about both function and aesthetics. This press is built with a solid, comfortable grip and a smooth pressing action that requires minimal hand strength, making it great for repeated daily use. It handles peeled garlic cloves efficiently, producing a fine, even mince, perfect for sauces, dressings, and marinades. The die-cast construction feels premium and durable, and its compact size makes storage simple in even the smallest kitchens. Cleanup is straightforward, and many users appreciate how well it resists sticking compared to bargain presses. For home cooks who enjoy European-style kitchen tools with a refined look and reliable performance, the Kuhn Rikon Epicurean is a standout choice. It's a great middle ground pick for anyone wanting quality and style without going overboard on price. Check the link below for the latest pricing.
Product number 6, Gorilla Grip Garlic Press. Closing out our list at number 6 is the Gorilla Grip Garlic Press. And true to its name, this one's all about strength and stability. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, it's built to crush even the toughest garlic cloves with minimal effort, thanks to its extra-long handles that provide superior leverage. It comes with a silicone garlic peeler and a cleaning brush, giving you everything you need in one bundle. Fitness fans who cook big batches of garlic-heavy meals will love how quickly this press gets the job done without fatigue. The rust-proof build ensures long-term durability, and the ergonomic handle design makes it comfortable to use even during extended cooking sessions. It's dishwasher-safe and easy to store, rounding out its practicality. If you want raw pressing power combined with solid extra accessories, the Gorilla Grip Garlic Press is a fantastic budget to mid-range option worth adding to your kitchen.
And that wraps up our top 6 garlic press picks. If this helped you find your perfect match, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. See you in the next video.